So pretty. It's a nail stamp. It's a nail polish, green, pink, and purple. And we have this one, the unicorn, and what do you call this, tita? It's a sticker nail. You have the design, stamp, and this a gem. And this one, it's so cute. Let's open this.
Let's open this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Wow.
Wow.
Guys, it's so pretty. Open. Ta-da! We have this one.
It's my favorite.
Yeah. This one is my favorite. It's color green, nail polish. Let's put this here or here.
No.
And the pink one. Sam's favorite color.
Pink.
Yeah, it's pink. And the purple one. It's Tita Lori's favorite. Maybe. Look. So pretty. It's like, wow.
Don't drop it.
I'm gonna drop it.
It will broke again like the glittery nail polish earlier. You know?
This one is the nail sticker.
Put it there.
Here. What do you call this
Means you have to put your fingers.
Ta-da! So cute. And this one. Ta-da-da. It's for like this.
Don't do that to your nails. It's only for kids.
This one's a nail stamp. So you can use for the design like this, like this. So pretty.
Tita, why you
It's
do
soft.
like this? Why?
Because I'm making a video. This one is the jam, like this. Yeah, it's like this. Let's put it here. And this one is the design.
Design a flower.
It's like this. You're gonna put nail polish here, then you're gonna stamp like this, then you put it like this.
Okay.
That's all for today. I hope you like it.
Let's
Bye.